Good morning students. Today first I will discuss about the questions that is based on your previous video. What do you mean by network? A network consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources such as printers and CDs, exchange files or allow electronic communication. The computers on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellite or infrared light beams. Next, write full forms of the following. LAN, local area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. WAN, wide area network. CAN, campus area network. Next question. What is protocol? A network protocol is an established set of rules that determine how data is transmitted between different devices in the same network. Next, explain client server network architecture. Client server architecture of a computer network in which many clients means remote processors request and receive service from a centralized server means host computer. Client computer provide an interface to allow a computer user to request services of the server and to display the results the server returns. So students, today I will discuss about types of network. Okay. A computer network consists of two or more computers that are interconnected with each other and share resources such as printers, servers, and hardware and exchange the data in the form of files, facilitating electronic communication. Computer on a network can be connected through twisted pair cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites, or optical fiber cables. The first computer network design was the Advanced Research Project Agency Network. In the short form, you can say ARPANET by the United States Department of Defense. Now, first network is your LAN, local area network. A local area network is a network that is used for communicating among computer devices, usually within an office building or home. LANs can be either wired or wireless. Every LAN uses a protocol, means a set of rules that governs how packets are configured and transmitted. Next, LANs are capable of very high transmission rates. Now next network is WAN, wide area network. WAN covers a large geographic area such as country, continent or even whole of the world. A WAN is two or more LANs connected together. The LANs can be many miles apart. To cover great distance, WAN may transmit data over leased high-speed phone lines or wireless links such as satellites. Next, multiple LANs can be connected together using devices such as bridges, routers, or gateways, which enable them to share data. The world's most popular WAN is the Internet. It allows you to communicate with people all around the world. Next, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network is a large computer network that usually spans a city or a large campus. A MAN is optimized for a larger geographical area than a LAN, means local area network, ranging from several blocks of buildings to entire cities. A MAN might be owned and operated by a single organization, but it usually will be used by many individuals and organizations. A MAN often acts as a high-speed network to allow sharing of regional resources. A MAN typically covers an area of between 5 and 50 kilometer diameter. Now next is your PAN, personal area network. According to your book, otherwise there are different types of network. Here you can see, but according to your syllabus, you have to study about PAN also, a personal area network. Personal area network is a network that is used for communicating among computers and computer devices, including telephones, in close proximity of around a few meters within a room. Homework for today is, what is internet? What is LAN? What is modem? What is the use of network interface card? Thank you.